I'm still in my tank top because this is the last day of Christmas in July of 2025, and my book is almost on sale July 29th. Be sure to grab it on Amazon or at ebnmusic.com/books. And in the spirit of Christmas in July, I want to teach you a fun one because here in America and in the Northern Hemisphere, it is summer and we don't have Christmas in the summer, but this song really does kind of blend summer and Christmas together, and it's the classic Mele Kalikimaka. We're going to learn the chords to this song today so you can play along while somebody else sings or while you sing. So come with me to the piano. I'm going to show you the chord progression for this song. I think it's going to be fun. I should have worn my Hawaiian lei today. All right, so here we are at the piano. You know, sometimes I use stickers. Today, let's try not to use stickers. Let's try to use just the keys, and I'm going to try to do this in a simple way. If you need to pause the video at any point, do so, and you can come back later. Okay, I like to play through the song first, just so you know how it's all going to sound, and don't worry, I'm going to come back. We're going to take it nice and slow. I'll try to sing along, even though I don't know the words 100%, so I probably mess up the words. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you. Okay, so I like this pattern that we have. We simplified the pattern. I'm going to use these fingers so you can clearly see the notes. C and G are your homes here, so find your two black keys, go right to the left, and that first note is C. And then you'll put your other finger on the G. This is Grandma's house, the three black keys. Who lives inside Grandma's house but Grandma? G and A. G is right here. There's your pattern, and in between each of those bumps, let's use bunny ear chords for our right hand, and our bunny ear fingers are going to go on C and E. Like that. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas. Notice we play that a lot. We go up to the word Christmas, so it kind of is a lot there. Okay, the next part, so this is the C. By the way, this is the key of C. This is a basic broken C chord. You have C, E, and G in the C chord, and we're playing a combo of those in here. Okay, then the next part, we're just going to move the left hand. We're going to move this finger to the D. We're going to keep this finger on G, and we're going to move both of these fingers up to D and F. Like that. Bright Hawaiian Christmas Day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees. We go up to trees on that one. So it takes a little, I mean, we have a nice home here for a while to make us feel comfortable. And then when he says the word sway, move back to your original position. Sway. By the way, feel free to pause the video, come back to it later, practice this. So let's play what we just learned so far. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. All right, so then here I want to change the rhythm a little bit. We were doing boom chucks. That's the boom chucks. Here, when he does, here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. I want to change it to just holding out the chord. So we're going to just use one finger here in the left hand. We're going to go down to your A. So here's the next group of three black keys, Grandma. Here's the A. Your bunny ear chord, you're going to move this finger to the C sharp. Keep that finger on E. This is your A chord. By the way, I think I forgot to tell you, this one right here, this was the G chord, and specifically the G7 chord, in case you're curious. All right, so this is the A chord. Know that Christmas will be green and bright. Okay, so let's go over that. So the left hand, A to D. right hand is C sharp E, and then just go up one key. Like that. Do it again. The sun does shine by day and all the stars at night. Now on the word night, it's really the second note in the word night. So you were here on the D minor. Go back to your G in the left hand. And actually, you know what? Your right hand, stay here. Don't move, because this works with the G7 chord. So you've got sun does shine by day and all the stars at night. Like that. So just move the left hand. Stars at night. All right, so let's practice that part. Here we know that Christmas, here's your A, and your bunny ears on C sharp and E, your A chord. Here we know that Christmas, D minor, back to A, D minor, G7. Just move that left hand. Cool, pause the video here, come back to it. Let's go back to the beginning, and let's do it from the beginning so we can get all that together. All right, get your boom chucks here. 1, 2, 3. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees. I'm not singing the right notes. Here we are, that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun does shine by day and all the stars at night. Sorry about I'm not paying attention to the notes I'm singing or the words. I apologize. Okay, now we're back to our boom chucks for a tiny little bit. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's. When we say Hawaii's way, you're going to hold that out. So it's boom chucks just for a short time. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way. On the word way, go to your A chord, which we had in that second section. Wise way to say, there's our D minor. Say Merry Christmas, there's our G, to you. So actually really no new things there. No new things at all. It's just a different rhythm, right? So let's start on the short boom chucks. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's. Hold your C, hold your A, hold your D, G. And you can just kind of do a last boom, chuck, boom, and play that all together at the same time. Again, pause this video if you need to and come back to it. And when you're ready, let's try the whole thing. All right, so let's try that all together. Sing along if you'd like, or just play along. 1, 2, 3. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. Oops. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun does shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you. I hope that was helpful for you, and most importantly, I hope you had fun. Enjoy your Christmas in July, and go grab this at ebnmusic.com/books. These are for beginner piano students, mostly for kids ages 5 to 10. So if you have a child who's interested in piano, this is a great book to get them started. It also makes a great gift. It's included, or it's part of the My First Piano series with G Sharp the Giraffe, the green book, the purple book, and now the red book. Go grab them all today, and they make great gifts for beginning piano students. Enjoy your Christmas in July, and I will see you next time.